Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to win more ground war matches in COD Warzone Mobile. Well, to do that, coordinate with your team. Communication and teamwork are vital in ground war. Stick together and work towards common objectives. Capture and hold points. Focus on capturing and holding objectives to gain map control and earn points for your team. Use loadout drops wisely. Choose loadouts that suits the map and objectives, whether it's long-range sniping or close quarters combat. Utilize kill streaks. Use kill streaks strategically to support your team or disrupt enemy movements. Manage spawns. Be mindful of spawn points to anticipate enemy movements and prevent spawn trapping. Adapt to the map. Adjust your playstyle based on the map layout and terrain features. Utilize vehicles. Use vehicles for transportation, flanking, or provide fire support to your team. Protect your teammates. Watch out for teammates and provide cover fire when needed. Stay aware of enemy UAVs. Enemy UAVs can reveal your team's positions. Use ghosts or take them out to maintain stealth. Utilize field upgrades. Deploy field upgrades like trophy system or munitions boxes to support your team and secure objectives. Flank enemy positions. Look for opportunities to flank and surprise enemies from unexpected angles. Use cover effectively. Utilize cover to protect yourself from enemy fire and minimize exposure. Communicate enemy positions. Call out enemy positions to your team to facilitate coordinated attacks and defense. Focus on objectives. Prioritize capturing and defending objectives over chasing kills to secure victory. Watch your flanks. Keep an eye on flanking routes to prevent enemy ambushes and maintain map control. Rotate strategically. Rotate between objectives as needed to maintain pressure on the enemy team. Manage ammo and equipment. Keep track of your ammo and equipment reserves to avoid running out during crucial moments. And that's how to win more ground war matches in COD Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.